What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing a special unboxing. So yeah, many of y'all know I collect kicks, and you read the title right. This is an actual shoe, so I had to cop this shoe. But first off, shout out to Elaine for giving me a heads up on this shoe. Otherwise, I would have probably not known about it. So I've had this box for a while, I just haven't had a chance to unbox it. And let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's unbox the box and see what we have in here. Fresh out of the box, we have another box. So there's always a box and a box and a box. And yeah, so you're looking at that right. Black Ops 4 logo, all black box. I guess they just wanted to mat it up and, you know, make it match. And this is called Factor Black Ops, and I do wear a size 10. I don't know about medium though. Maybe I got the wrong size, who knows, but I usually wear a 10 or 10.5 depending on shoes. So let's go ahead and check this out, sliding it out the box. So yeah, this is the company named Supra. They are also made by K-Swiss, so it's kind of like having a K-Swiss shoe. And holy moly, check this damn shoe out. It looks pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the bottom, check this out. You got the camo print, black and gray, gunmetal gray. You got the orange. It says, "Arts will wear due to everyday use." Oh, so apparently this will wear out for usage. So wow, that's pretty cool. Well, I guess, makes sense. There you go, Supra. You got the crown. Let's see what it says here. Supra Footwear. Oh, there you go. Supra Footwear Co. Call of Duty Black Ops 4. 51 degrees, 1646.5 north, 30 degrees 656 east. And man, so these kind of look like a Yeezy. I'm not gonna lie. Check this out. It looks like a Yeezy. The way it is, it's like a sock shoe. I like the laces. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, you got the Black Ops logo right here too. Check that out. Black Ops 4 with the little crown, and then you have the little tag here. 2018 Activision Publishing. And as well, another tag, Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Supra. So yeah, these are pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. You got the back, you got the crown. Let's take this out. Let's see what's inside the shoe. So we got that out of the shoe, and of course inside you got the Black Ops 4 logo with the crown. And inside it looks like it's all digital camo, orange, black, and kind of gray. I don't know if you can see it here with the light and all of that. But yeah, this is the shoe. That's pretty much it. Nothing much to it, just the shoe. And of course, you get to remove that. But you know what? I'll leave it on because this is a collector shoe. I collect my kicks. Sometimes I wear them, sometimes I don't. And you got the orange laces with the black, kind of like a braided lace. Let's take out this other one. Of course, you get the camo print paper. And yeah, same thing. It's alright. I like the shoe, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of looks more like an Adidas. And again, like I said, this is from the company called K-Swiss. So if your guys rock K-Swiss, they are, I guess, the main brand of Supra. Or I guess Supra is like the little sister brand or something. So yeah, these look clean. I'm not gonna lie. I'll give these a little, like an 8 out of 10. Black Ops shoes. That's pretty dope. I didn't know they had these until I looked them up. They also have jackets. They also have sweatshirts. And I might be picking up those as well, but I won't do an unboxing video of that. But I just wanted to do an unboxing video of the shoes. Nice, fancy kicks. I do wear a size 10 or a 10.5. And you know what? I might rock these one day. Maybe when I go to a tournament, maybe when I go to an MLG trip or something. I might rock these shoes, Call of Duty shoes. And these did retail for I think it was like 140 bucks. I'm not 100% sure. I totally forgot. Like I said, I sat on these shoes for a while. I've had these for a while now. I just haven't unboxed them. I got like a tons of shit to unbox. Here you go, Super logo. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the shoe. Nothing much, Pretty cool gaming shoe. Although it's not going to improve your gaming. Just saying. I'm just saying. So there you go, that's pretty much it. Supra shoes, Black Ops 4 unboxing. Like I said, quick video, not a long video. There's not really too much detail to go into besides they're just shoes that are Black Ops 4 related to the game of the release. So yeah, I will post a link in the bottom below where you can pick these shoes up and of course the other gear that you can get. I'm not gonna lie, I like this shoe, and like I said, it kind of looks like a Yeezy, kind of looks like an Adidas shoe, kind of like an Ultra Boost or something. Comfortability wise, I don't know, I haven't tried them out. I need to wear them probably once. So that's it. So I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop the thumbs up. If you think I should do a giveaway for some shoes, maybe some Yeezys or something, hit me up. Also, make sure to follow me on Twitter, because I do a lot of cool shit on Twitter. Sometimes I like to give away shit, so, you know, check it out. Thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.